besides assist the driver in keeping his car within the proper lane under all circumstances. The keynote of this motorway, safety. Safety with increased speed.
If all you've got to do today is find peace of mind, come round, you can take a piece of mind. And if all you've got to do today is hesitate, come here, you can leave it late with me. You could be taking it easy on yourself. You should be making it easy on yourself. 'Cause you and I know it's so different stage. You give me roads and age, racing to the best stage. It's up to you, boy, you're driving me crazy, thinking you may be losing your mind. If all you've got to prove today is your innocence, calm down, you're as guilty as can be. You could be taking it easy on yourself. You should be making it easy on yourself. 'Cause you and